Pemetua bangsa Aceh tak sayang Nanggro penulang Tak ingat sabit.
One of the many provisions in the agreement is to establish the Human Rights Court and a commission for truth and reconciliation. Now 14 years had passed, but Jakarta has shown no interest in supporting the commission and addressing past crimes. It has failed to provide truth, justice, and full reparation to tens of thousands of victims. Today, Aceh is still a dangerous place to live in. Peace accord has been largely disappointed, and that has led former combatants to resort to violence again. Today, Aceh is among the poorest.
Banda hai makcik tumbuh perla.
Betul.
Wala buga na simpang dua. Kerja meh mak ebek manyang negara. Takut kamu jak mandumba janda. Kerja meh mak ebek manyang negara. Takut kamu jak mandumba janda. Kerja mak.